Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 rivet guns. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Rivet Nut Gun Pneumatic Industrial. Specifications. Brand name, Fennec. Model, RL0312L. Riveter gun type, rivet nut guns. Power type, hydraulic rivet guns. Use, commercial manufacture. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Product number 2, Powerful Brushless Electric Rivet Gun Kit. Specifications. Riveter gun type, rivet nut guns. Power type, electric rivet guns. Use, home DIY. Color, blue plus black. Material, metal plus plastics. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Product number 1, Hypson Pneumatic Rivet Nut Gun. Specifications. Brand name, Hypson. Riveter gun type, rivet nut guns. Power type, pneumatic rivet guns. Use, commercial manufacture. Strong grip for secure riveting. Easy to use with simple operation. High quality materials for durability. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.